Are you battling with low views? Like, is your video not getting any views at all, despite all you are doing? You're not getting any views. You're getting 10 views in 20 days. You're getting 5 views, 3 views. The highest is 15 views. Guys, that is not supposed to be happening to your content, to your channel, okay? That is why in this video, I'm going to teach you a very strategic thing to do, okay, which is creating a playlist. I've dropped this particular topic before, which is creating a playlist. And I've seen a lot of people asking me, how can they create playlists, okay? I'm going to tell you the simplest way to create a playlist. Trust me, playlist is doing the magic. If you go to my YouTube growth tip playlist, which I'll be dropping in the description of this video, you will see how many views it has accumulated. It is bringing me a lot of views. Inside my YouTube recommendations, my playlist is underneath as well, showing that it is working for me. My playlist is working. Guys, it will do the same for you. Please create a playlist. Watch this video and learn how to create it from different perspectives, okay? It will help you today. I'm assuring you it will help you. Playlist is doing the magic. Check other YouTubers, other creators. They all have playlists in their channel and this is working for them. If it's not working, why would they be creating? It is working. I've seen it by myself and I'm testifying. I'm telling you to do the same thing. It will help viewers stay in your channel. It will keep viewers hooked. Imagine they like the first topic or title, they go to the next video, because playlist is orderliness, arranging your videos in a folder, and then it will help viewers keep watching. They just keep watching instead of them to be clicking next. They don't do that. They can be doing something and their video is playing. They can be driving and your video is playing. And if you are somebody that needs watch hour, you can just give people your playlist link and they will help you run it down. They will help you watch it, run through it. Okay, they'll just run all of the videos, watch it continuously, and your watch hours will be swelling, increasing. Guys, is this not a good news? If you are somebody that maybe you have friends and families abroad or anywhere around the world, send your playlist to them. Let them help you watch it. My name is Jobo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I create videos about tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube space. I have a playlist on my own. You can actually check it in the description of this video, guys. I'm so excited because playlist is actually working. So guys, let's dive right in while I show you how to create playlists using different methods, okay? So to create a playlist, I would start with the easiest one, which is using your YouTube app, okay? The first thing you do is open your app and click on your profile and then go to videos, as you can see me doing right now, okay? You see this particular video. Let's use this first one, the hidden truth about published to sufficient feed. Let's use this first video here. Okay, just click on these 3 dotted lines at the side of this title of the video. Okay, you can see it now. Okay, look at this place where it says save to playlist. Click on it. So if you don't have a playlist, are you seeing where it's written new playlist? This is exactly where you create a playlist easily using your YouTube app. Okay, me, I have 2 playlists already, which is the YouTube growth tips and the live streams. As you can see, these ones are visible. These ones that are locked, they are my personal playlist. Like sometimes I save videos for watch later and sounds from shorts that I also save as well. Those ones are not made public. They are my personal stuff, right? Now that we are done with this, let's go to the Chrome version. Okay, go to Chrome as usual. So when you're in Chrome, search for YouTube dashboard. Okay, so this is YouTube dashboard. Just open it. Let it redirect you back to the actual and desktop sites. Okay, this is your YouTube studio, but the desktop site. If you are watching my video, you'll be familiar with all of this already. So yeah, now that it's opened, look at this create, this icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Okay. Are you seeing it? It said upload videos, go live, create post, new playlist. When you click on it, it will direct you to start creating a playlist. Are you seeing it? Let's click on it so I can show you properly. So when you click on it, look at it, say create a new playlist. It's asking you for the title of the playlist. That's what the playlist can be, editing videos. Okay, that's the next playlist I want to create. I just want the videos to be up to at least 5 before creating it, so I can put all of my video editing inside that place for you guys to easily watch it. Okay, then the description as well, you have to input it. What is the playlist about? What do you do? Or what's the videos in that playlist? What are they about? That's the description. Okay, now it said visibility and sort order. it has to be public. Okay, look at the one I said before. Those my watch later and sound from shorts, they are on private. That's why it was showing locked just now. So you can make your watch your playlist public so that people can see it. Okay, now this one, the format is how your videos are arranged. You say dates published, newest. That's how I actually like it for mine. So when you are done, you just go ahead and add videos. You can add all of your videos, you can add some separate videos. Do you understand? And then you click on create. Now let me show you the last pattern, the third pattern. Okay, go to a video, look at this content icon, click on it. Now, okay, select a video. Let's select this particular video. All right, and then after this place where it says thumbnail, look at playlist. Okay, this arrow that is going down, click on it. Are you seeing it? YouTube growth tips, live streams, and then look at underneath it. It says new playlist, so you can as well create new playlist from here. Are you seeing a new playlist? Just click on it, and it's still the same thing. Just go ahead with the same process that I've explained in the former one. So guys, this is how to simply create playlists in less than a few seconds. So if you found this video helpful, guys, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your questions, contributions in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.